Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Today we are working on this Whirlpool freestanding range. We will show you how to remove and replace the temperature probe. Now let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. We must first remove the lower panel here with the 2 Phillips screws. Lower it down. You can just set it aside. And then there are 12 number 2 Phillips screws that hold the upper panel on. And then you just lower it down, disengage it from the top panel, and slide it right off. With the back panel removed, we have clear access to our temperature probe. Some reasons why you might be needing to replace your temperature probe is if you have an error code, or you have erratic preheating times, or just erratic temperatures. You can test your temperature probe as if you disconnect your Molex, take your meter set on ohms, back probe your terminals, and you should have around 1080 ohms, which this one we have 1090. So this one is good, but if you do need to replace it, all you simply do is remove the 1 screw, pull your sensor straight out, and set it aside. To install your new temperature probe, install your old screw in the slotted hole. Install the probe into the back wall of the oven and slide it through the insulation. You have to line up the hole and screw in your screw. Connect your wire connection. And now we will install the back cover. To install the rear panel, you must first slide the top of the panel up under the console. Line up your screw holes. And hold the panel and install one of the screws to hold the panel for you. And now that you got that one in, move on to the other side while still holding the panel. And now that you've got that one held, you can finish the rest of the screws. Next, we'll install the lower panel, and there are 4 tabs you must engage into the back of the oven. And slide them in and then slide it up until your screw holes align. And this will complete the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.